Okay. So we are focusing now chapter number 8, cash book and petty cash book. So cash book is a prime entry book and as well as the ledger account where you record all cash transactions, cash you receive and cash you pay. Yeah. So let's look at the examples where you receive money into the business. So number one, owner introduce money into the business, cash sales, cash received from debtors, borrowing loan from a bank, and any sort of other income you received in cash in the form of rent income, investment income, and commission income, like things like that. So when you receive cash, you will record them in debit side of the cash. Remember, if you receive cash, you will record debit side of the cash book. As opposed to the cash receipts, you will have cash payments. So cash payments, it's cash outflows. So you record cash, you buy goods and pay cash, we call cash purchases, and you pay your installment, loan installment, you pay your creditors, you pay your expenses, you acquire assets, non-current assets, and for that you make the payments, and owner withdraw money from the business. So all these items will result in a decrease in cash. Cash is an asset, decrease in asset is credit. So all cash payments you record in credit side of the cash. Yeah. And now we coming to a supporting document for each transaction. With regard to the cash you received, you have a supporting document or source document that we call receipt. Yeah. So all cash you receive, you will record in receipt. So supporting document for all cash you received is receipt. Okay. On the other hand, all cash payments you will record in payment voucher. So payment voucher represent the cash you paid to whom and which date and regarding what purpose. Yeah. So all cash receipts supporting document is receipt, and all cash payments supporting document is payment voucher. Yeah. Right. Now we come to the very important section, dual function of cash book. So what do you mean by dual function of cash book? Cash book will act as a prime entry book and as well as a ledger account. So cash book and as well as the petty cash book will act as a both prime entry book and as well as a ledger account. Yes, keep an eye on this area. This can be tested in multiple choice question. Okay. So recording of cash transactions. Cash is an asset. Any receipt of cash increase asset. Any payment of cash decreases assets. So in that context, you debit cash book when you receive cash. You credit cash book when you pay cash. So that is a double entry. Clear? Okay, please look at this example here. I'll ask questions now. Ranudi, tell me the double entry for the first one. First transaction, first Jan. What is double entry? Are you there? Am I? Oh, Mehansa. What is the double entry for the first transaction? Capital invest 80,000.
Capital account debit 80,000 and cash account credit 80,000.
Okay, tell me why you say you need to think from the business point. Okay, you need to think from the business point of view. The business sector owner will bring money. So think from the business point of view, your cash will increase. And don't think about from the owner's point of view. When your cash increases, cash is an asset, so cash is debit. It's the other way around. Okay. So debit cash and credit capital. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Okay.
So always you think from the business point of view, not the owner's point. Okay, that's called business entity concept. Okay. So remember, if you get a question like this, remember you have a receipt number. So receipt number implies you receive money. If you receive money, cash debit. So receipt number 1, receipt number 2, receipt number 3, receipt number 4, receipt number 5. Taking illustrate when you receive money. If you receive money, cash is debit and some other account will get credit. Yeah, so keep an eye on that. Okay, right. We'll ask another question from Rehara. Can you tell me the answer for 2nd January transaction?
Purchases account debit and cash account credit.
Purchase account debit and cash account credit. Very good. Super. And we'll ask Sandinsa. 4th January. Double entry.
Cash account debit and bank loan account credit.
Yeah. Cash account debit, bank loan credit. It's because you receive money. Okay. And 8th January will ask from Sasitma.
Furniture account debit, cash account credit.
Very good. Furniture account debit, cash account credit. And Sayuni Karyavasam, 15th January. You can make mistakes, it's okay. I need the answer. Any idea? Tarini Vijayaratna, what is the double entry for 15th January transaction? Rent paid 6,000. Tarini, are you there? Oh, Anagi. Rent paid 6,000. What is the double entry mean? Transaction
Rent account debit 6,000 and cash account credit 6,000.
Very good. Rent account debit. Rent is an expense. So expense increase debit and cash account credit 6,000. Good. And next one, 18 January, we'll ask from Ayami De Silva.
Cash account debit 40,000, purchases account credit 40,000.
Purchases sorry. It says so sales account credit 40,000. Clear? So
Yeah.
when you sell goods, you receive cash. Okay, so you receive cash, cash account debit, some other accounts will get credit. Now you are selling goods, so the double entry is credit sales 40,000. Clear?
Yes.
20th January, Mehansa.
Cash account debit, debtors account credit.
Yeah, very good. Cash account debit 30,000 and debtors account credit 30,000. 24th, Minanga. What is the double entry for 24th transaction?
Cash account credit 34,000. Creditor Surat's account debit 34,000.
Yeah, creditors account debit 34,000 and cash account credit 34,000. And Risandi, what is the double entry for 25th transaction? Cash taken for personal use. Vilas from Sandinsa. What's the double entry for 25th January transaction?
Drawings account debit and cash account credit.
Very good. Drawings account debit, cash account credit. And we'll ask Rehara Binoli, 26th transaction.
Cash account debit, interest income account credit.
Very good. Cash account debit, interest income account credit. The last one. Sasitma.
Bank loan account debit, cash account credit, 6,000.
Nice. So everyone got clear picture on how you record the transaction. If you receive any cash, you debit cash book. If you pay any cash amount, you credit cash book. Yeah. And the other ledger accounts also you get some idea. Okay, so there can be a questions might come up. You need to record first in a cash book and then copy or post it to the other ledger. Yeah. Right. And balancing of accounts, how you balance the account. So let's take an example for this one. Hold on a second. So let's say you have a cash account, and I want to introduce money 80,000, and you pay leasing installment 80,000. So which side is more? Debit side is more. So what you do first, you put debit side 80,000, the total, and you take the same amount to the credit side. The debit side එකේ credit side එකේ වැඩි පැත්තට තමයි total කරන්නේ. හරිද? You put 80,000 for both sides and you take the difference. So 80 minus 18, 62,000, and you put the month end date, 31st Jan. Put month end date and you write it balance carried down. The next month, first day, balance brought forward. Okay. Is it clear? You take the higher side and put that total into the other side and take the difference and you write the month end date. You write balance carried down. And after the total, you take into the opposite side. First, February, that is the next month, first day, you write it down, balance brought forward, 62,000. Clear? Okay, right. I'll ask questions one by one. Tarini, what's the answer for the first one, double entry? First May. Tarini, are you there? You can put in a chat box your answer. Sayuni, what's the double entry for the first transaction?
Capital account.
Capital account, credit, cash account, debit. Very good. Second one, we'll ask from Risandi Javida. 2nd May. Ranudi, Nitusa. 2nd May transaction.
Sir, cash book credit.
Cash book credit. Debit when?
Sir, cash book credit and purchases account debit rupees 35,000.
Very good. Super. 4th May. Minanga.
Cash book debit 40,000, bank loan credit 40,000.
Good. Risandi. 8th May. Risandi 8th May. Or Sandinsa.
Cash debit, sales credit.
Yeah, cash debit, sales credit. Good. And can you try the 12th May?
Waves account debit and cash credit.
Good. 15th May.
Equipment debit and cash credit.
20th May.
Cash debit and rental income account credit.
Yes, very good. And we'll ask the next one, Mehansa. Can you try 22nd May transaction?
Cash debit, sales credit.
Good. 25th May.
Bank loan debit, cash credit.
Good. 30th May, last one.
Cash debit, commission income credit.
Yeah, very good. Super. Right. Now we come to discounts. Okay. So discounts are two types. One is trade discounts, other one is cash discounts. So trade discounts occur at the time of transaction or sell or buy. So the vendor will give you an discount at the time of transaction. So let's say you have a list price 10,000, taking 10%. Then the 1,000 Arduino, you only need to pay 9,000. So that happens. Your objective is giving the discount is to promote sales. So when it comes to the practical context, during the festive season like Christmas or Sinhala seasons, most of the organizations, they will offer discount. So they are meant to be trade discounts. And the trade discount is not a part and parcel of the double entry systems. Remember, it's not subject to double entry system. Your whole objective is to get more sales by reducing the prices. You offer discount, that's all. Cash discount as opposed to the trade discounts, mainly from your debtors. For your debtors and from your creditors, they deduct from the amount they are supposed to receive or from the amount they are supposed to pay. Yeah, that deduction we call cash discounts. So cash discounts you broadly divide into two: discount allowed and discount received. Discount allowed is an expense. You offer discounts from the amount you're supposed to receive from debtors. You deduct some amount from the amount you're supposed to receive from debtors. Why you're supposed to receive money from debtors? Because you make a credit sales. So when you made a credit sales, you won't receive money then and there, but you will receive money later. So that means you are creating an asset that we call debtor. So if debtors make the payment as early or within that discount period, you need to give that discount. So discount allowed is an expense, remember. So what's the double entry for discount allowed? Discount allowed debit and cash debit, and the total amount credit for debtors. And what do you mean by discount received? When we make the payments to creditors, they won't ask you to pay in full. So instead, they will offer some discount. So that's a kind of a gain for you. So that is considered as another income. So discount received is another income. So it has a credit balance. So what's the double entry? Discount received credit, cash credit, and the total amount will get debit to creditors. That's the whole part of the story. So this you would have done in your mathematics. You have a list price of 20,000. They deduct 10%. You remove the 10. The discount is 2,000. How much you pay? You pay only 18,000. Okay. So purchase account debit and cash account credit. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the double entry for discount allowed, only the discount item, discount amount itself, debit discount allowed because it's an expense, and credit debtors account. And opposite, discount received, debit, creditor or accounts payable, credit payable, and credit discount received. Okay, right. So can someone read this question? Example, we'll ask from Asali Gajaba. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Saranga's business had the following balances as at 1st March 20.
It's okay.
Debtors balances: Buddhi rupees 40,000, Sanod rupees 30,000. Creditors balances: Manisha rupees 45,000, Situmini rupees 35,000. Cash in hand rupees 50,000.
Okay, hold on. Now the question is, you need to record them in a cash book and other relevant ledger accounts. Okay, we'll go one by one. Read the first one that's happened on 5th March.
Cash received from Buddhi rupees 12,500.
And discount allowed is 2,500. So what's the double entry?
Discount allowed debit
Mm-hmm.
rupees 2,500.
Okay.
And debtors debit. No, debtors credit.
Debtors credit. Make a
Yeah.
mihima karanda. First you take the cash you receive. Easy way is this. Then salary hambenon. So when you receive cash always debit. Okay, so cash debit 12,500. Discount allowed is an expense, so that also debit 2,500. Credit when you debtor separately annoying. So if you take the answer here, see, Buddhi discount allowed 2,500 in the discount allowed column in the cash book debit side, and cash column make a debit side 12,500. And the Buddhi's account, you record the credit side, cash 12,500 and discount allowed 2,500. Clear?
Yes.
Good. We'll ask next transaction from Minanga. Can you read the second transaction that is on 8th March?
5% discount deducted when cash is received from Sanod in respect of rupees 10,000 receivable from him.
How we record this transaction? Sanod?
Cash book, debit 9,500.
Mhm,
Sanod credit 10,000.
mhm.
Discount allowed debit 500.
Yes. So first step is you need to calculate the discount. Right? So 10,000 is the amount you're supposed to recover from him. And they offer 5%. We offer 5% discount because of the early settlement. So first you calculate 5%. So 10% 1,000, 5% half of this, that is 500. So the discount amount is 500. Yeah. So when you offer discount 500, how much you receive in cash? 10,000 minus 500, 9,500. So you receive cash 9,500. So cash book debit 9,500, and the 500 goes to the debit side of the, basically it's discount allowed column in the debit side of the cash book. Debit credit Sanota, that is a debtor 9,500 and 500 separate. We look at the answer. 1 second. So Sanod discount allowed column 500 and cash column 9,500. We go to the Sanod's account, cash 9,500 and discount allowed 500. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Anyone has a doubt? Is it clear the discount allowed part and the calculation part? The first question, they gave discount separately. Second question, they gave the percentage of discount. So out of the total outstanding amount, you have to calculate the discount and separately record. It's all good or what? Anyone who has a doubt? Vihanga, can you read the next transaction? 10th March. Vihanga, are you there? Hello. Can you hear me? Fasitma, can you read 10th transaction, 10th March?
Cash paid to Manisha 12,600 rupees. Discount received 1,400 rupees.
So Manisha is a creditor. Okay. Tell me how you record.
Debiting 12,600 to Manisha's account and crediting 1,400 rupees to discount received.
And can you repeat again?
Debiting 12,600 to Manisha's account and crediting 1,400 rupees to discount received.
Is that all? But you told I just
crediting 14,000 to cash book.
Okay. Tell me again. Sorry. Okay, I'll explain what you do first. Okay, tell me the first transaction, first entry.
Debiting 12,600 to Manisha's account.
12,600 Manisha. Others listen and then I'll correct. Okay. Hari, and then
Crediting 1,400 to discount received.
Discount received. Credit 1,400. Okay. Good. And then take your time. It's okay.
Crediting 14,000 rupees to cash book.
cash book. සල්ලි වලින් කීයක් ගෙවනවද?
12,600.
Yeah, that is the only amount that you can credit to the cash book. Remember, how
Okay.
much you pay, only you credit the cash book. Others, listen now. How much you pay, you can credit the cash. So, ඒකේ corresponding debit entry තමයි Manisha 12,600. And then this discount received 1,400. You need to further debit the Manisha. ඉතින් හරිද? මේ දෙකේ total එක Manisha debit වෙනවා. Otherwise wrong. Cash. So first, if you get a question like this, first you think about how much you pay. You pay 12,600. ඒක දාන්න cash book එකේ credit side. So how much is the discount received? ඒක දාන්න discount received column එක. Yeah, and then you pass the entries, 2 separate entries to Manisha's, that is debit entries to 12,600 and 1,400.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So we'll have a look. So Manisha, cash 12,600 and discount received 1,400. Everyone, please take 5 minutes and just see whether these transactions are clear or not. Take 5 minutes time. Do you have any questions?